girlies, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another thrift video. We're here today at the three-way thrift today, and as you guys can see, it's a super rainy day today. You guys, it took me forever to get here just because I didn't want to drive on the freeway because it's like super crazy. So I drove on the street and like some of the streets were super flooded, so it was super scary, but thank God we made it here safe. Also wanted to tell you guys what I'm looking for today, which is like Christmas decor, vintage Christmas decor to be exact. I don't know if I'm gonna find any, but hopefully. I don't know, I feel like I'm kind of picky with my decor. Like I don't just like to buy anything, I like it to be like cute too. Let's go inside and see what we find. I also found this one, which I think is pretty cool. You put like a candle in there for $2.99. This one looks like a little chancla or something. Oh, this one's cute. $6.99. Oh my gosh, look, it lights up. How cute. I think I'm gonna get that. This one looks kind of cool too. I think that it's like coasters with a little knife. This one's cute too, like a little nightlight for $1.99. Have a lot of stuff too, a lot of holiday decor. That whole row over there too. These are kind of cool, but I don't know. I don't know if I would actually use them. Cute, a little angel bear. Christmas 1990. How cute. Look at this one too. I did find these vintage bowls too. See on there it says 1996. And they're, how much are they? $5.99. So that's not too bad. This is actually pretty cool. I just turned it on. That's what was on right now. For $20. He looks cool too. How much is he? 25. He's like making the little toys. How cute. Oh my gosh, look at her. She's so cute. A little snowman cookie jar. This one's pretty cool too. They actually have a lot of cool stuff. Look at this. Like little cookie jars. Look at this cup. S'mores. It like stands up. That's cool. And then look at this one. A little cutie. $3.99. That's cute. I found these too, but I don't know if they would work because it says on the back as is electrical. Because they're supposed to like illuminate. So yeah, I don't think I would want to take the chance on those because those are like $20. I'm gonna pull those too. What the heck? This is a nightlight. $5.99. Wait, this is actually kind of cool. Cute little purse with all these little states on here. for $1.99. Not bad. I also found this little brown like suede purse for $12.99, which I feel like it's a bit overpriced. I don't know. I need to look up this brand. I don't know if it's expensive or not. But I found this one too. This little 9 West purse. But look at the inside. It's like leopard print. And this one is $6.99. This one looks kind of cool too. Like the colors on this one for $4.99. Super cute little vintage 2-piece set. This is the brand. It's my size too, but I don't know. I don't know if honestly if I would wear it. But it's really, really cute. This one's actually really cute, just not my size. It's a small Forever 21 little denim dress. This is what I found so far from the corals. I need to try them on though. This little blue sweater for, how much is it? $6.99. I don't really have anything like that. This one's actually really cute, like a little poncho. This one is from Chico's. This one's a little pricey though, $10. And then this little California little crew neck for $6.99. So yeah, I'm gonna head over to try them out. I have no business looking in the dresses, but why not? This one's actually really cute. What is this? It's not a formal dress, but a flowing feast for $10. That's actually really cute, and it feels like really nice material too. A little black halter connected. So I think this is what I'm gonna end up taking. This little Adidas top for $5.99, which I think is a little pricey, but whatever. I'm still gonna take it. And then this one, this little California crew neck for $6.99. This little Caroline Taylor sweatshirt. I really like the color. I don't really have anything like that for $6.99. Hopefully some of these are on sale. And then these little like bloomer shorts for $1.99. These little like capris for $3.99. And this is the brand for those. And then these little low-rise jeans for $3.99. I just really like the detail on the bottom. And then look at the back too. Cute. I'm looking over here by the electronics and random stuff, and I found this cool like vintage Care Bears cake mold. It says 1983. It actually looks like almost brand new too. So from the Christmas decor, I think I'm just gonna end up taking this little Home Sweet Home little plate. It's from Ray Dunn. Feels like really heavy too for $1. These little like vintage bowls. I don't know. I think they're just super cute, and they're only $6, and they're brand new too. And just this little nightlight. I don't know. I think it looks really cool, and it looks like older too. Hopefully it works for $5.99. So we just got out of the thrift store, and I think we might hit to one more. I actually just saw my cousins on the way out. Shout out to you, Ari. But yeah, let's head over to the next thrift. found this really beautiful halter polka dot dress, and it's from 9 West, 100% silk. You guys, I don't think it fits though, honestly, but should I just get it and then lose weight? What do you guys think? Look at this. So beautiful, and it's only like $6, $6.99. I don't know. I think I'm being delulu right now. They do have a lot of pretty cups right here. Look at this one. You guys have to look. I was just looking through this rack just randomly. Look at this super cute express top that I found. It has like this crisscross in the front for only $3.99. That's the thing about thrifting. You have to dig. Dig, dig, dig. This one would be cute for like a Selena costume. This one's a little Levi's one, and it's only $7.99. It's like a vintage one. Look at the little buttons. This one's the Ann Taylor, the knitted one. I think that I'm gonna get this one too. I checked the tag because I don't think the tag is here. It's like brand new with tags, but it said original price like $78. And it's only like $7, I think. You guys, why am I liking everything? This one looks really cute too. This one's only $3.99. This one's a little Talbot's one for $3.99. So we just got out of the second thrift store, and I ended up getting a couple things. You guys, I didn't expect to find much, but I ended up finding a couple things, like clothing wise. I didn't find any decor or anything, so I think we might head to one more. But I have to check if anything's open because it's already getting a little bit. Look at this cool Topshop coat I just found. Look at the back though and the sides. Feels like really heavy too. It's only $20. I probably wouldn't wear it, that's why I wouldn't get it, but that's really good. found this cool London Fog like suede coat. It's like really heavy too. When I want vintage Christmas, this is what I mean. Look at him. He's super cute. I feel like I could put him on the end of my little table. And it says on there 1998. And it's only $2.99 each. How cute. Look how pretty. It's like a Barbie ornament from 2001. This is cute too. It's like a little frame. A little vintage frame. Look at this cool hat I found. It's like Mickey. And it's authentic to dead stock, brand new for $7.99. Too bad I don't go to the parks anymore, or else I would definitely get that. We do have a lot of selection. This is what I grabbed so far. I'm still thinking about him, but I know for sure I want those. But this one's so cute with the little teddy bear. I think I'm gonna have to grab him. And then look at this cool little like Christmas tray I found for $3.99. I think that's a good deal. These things like heavy. And then I think I might have to try this on. I don't know if this is cute or not, but it's like an all like suede long skirt. I feel like it could be style cute for $5.99. I also found these little shorts, little Adidas shorts for $5.99. Trying to see if they have any like shorts because my daughter needs some since she's been into working out. But I'm not seeing anything her vibe. Victoria Sport. That's not bad. Medium. I might have to ask her if she likes these. They're not that bad. Just for like the gym. These are like some wannabe Mew Mew, but they're low-key kind of cute. I don't know, I'm trying to get like a good angle for you guys. These are, but they're only $3.99, so why not? Found these ones over here. Thought these were kind of cool. They're just a little bit pricey though for $20. This one is here too for $19. Worthington. Thought these little Anne were kind of cute too. I think these black loafers. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go soon because I am on a time crunch right now. Thought these were kind of cool actually for like the office. This is a brand.